We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the JUKMO Tactical Belt, a military-inspired hiking and work belt designed for durability and functionality. This belt has attracted significant attention, with over 64,000 ratings and an average score of 4.6 out of 5, indicating widespread satisfaction among users. If you own this belt, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Starting with the design, the JUKMO Tactical Belt is notable for its striking military aesthetic, featuring a distinctive X-shaped quick-release buckle made of aluminum alloy. The belt webbing is 1.5 inches wide and crafted from a polyester-polyamide blend, offering a balance of strength, flexibility, and weather resistance. It is available in 6 earthy colors, including black, gray, blue, coffee brown, coyote beige, and green, and comes in 5 different lengths from XS to XL, making it accessible to a wide range of waist sizes. Users appreciate the belt's robust construction and the quality of materials used. The nylon webbing is praised for being both strong and flexible, providing a comfortable fit that adjusts slightly with movement, which is especially useful during physical activities like hiking or tactical work. The aluminum buckle is lightweight yet strong, with a quick-release mechanism that allows for rapid opening and closing. This mechanism also includes a flip lock for easy length adjustment, which many find convenient for on-the-go tightening or loosening. Comfort is a strong point for this belt. Reviewers frequently mention that it fits snugly without being restrictive, wrapping around the waist like a firm hug. The belt's flexibility helps with breathability and sweat management, making it suitable for extended wear in various weather conditions. However, some users note that the buckle's edges can sometimes dig into the skin during strenuous activity or catch on clothing, which may cause minor discomfort. Durability is generally well regarded, especially for the webbing, which is expected to last a lifetime under normal use. The aluminum buckle, while corrosion-resistant and sturdy, has a complex mechanism with several moving parts. This complexity raises some concerns about long-term reliability, particularly in harsh environments where dirt, sand, or grit could interfere with the buckle's function. Some users worry that the softer aluminum parts might wear or deform over time, potentially affecting performance. The belt's quick-release buckle is a highlight for many, praised for its ease of use and secure locking. The recessed latches reduce the risk of accidental release, although they can be a bit fiddly to operate with cold or gloved fingers. This could be a consideration for users in cold climates or tactical scenarios requiring gloves. Pricing is another advantage of the JUKMO Tactical Belt. It is competitively priced compared to other tactical belts on the market, offering good value given its features and build quality. This affordability, combined with a variety of sizes and colors, makes it an attractive option for both casual users and professionals. On the downside, some users find the belt's military style and bulky buckle less suitable for everyday casual wear, as the oversized buckle may not fit well through standard belt loops on some pants. This limits its practicality for those looking for a more subtle or versatile belt. Additionally, the complexity of the buckle mechanism, while innovative, could be a weak point in terms of long-term durability and ease of maintenance. In conclusion, the JUKMO Tactical Belt is a strong contender in the tactical and hiking belt category. It offers a unique combination of style, comfort, adjustability, and durability at a reasonable price. Its wide range of sizes and colors caters to a broad audience, and its quick-release buckle provides functional advantages for active users. While the buckle's complexity and size might not appeal to everyone, especially for casual daily use, the belt excels in outdoor and tactical settings where reliability and adjustability are paramount. If you have experience with the JUKMO Tactical Belt, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel. This belt is a solid choice for hikers, military personnel, and anyone needing a dependable, adjustable, and comfortable belt for demanding activities.